This is my car. I'll be short with this story. I bought it 3 years ago and it was the cheapest A5 on the market. And that was with a reason. It had a big crash in the front and the steering wheel was on the right hand. Anyway, I didn't have the time to restore it or repair it, and mechanical problems, electrical problems, body problems, all the problems in the world kept appearing. In this moment now, it has more than 1 year of non-driving. It's out of service completely. It's time to bring it back to life. So guys, take a seat and let the journey begin. Okay, now, so the battery is in the back. Ground. She's alive. She's almost dead, but she's alive. And now let's get that poor little thing inside the garage. So first thing, I will replace this dead battery. Projectors. Okay. First part down. Front bumper is down. So the party begins. And now I will start removing the engine. But I have a small problem. I don't have a crane for that.
Aw, man!
So I will build one. just some grinding and some paint, and let's try it. Okay, oh my god, what's in here? I can't even guess from where it comes, this oil. It seems to be from everywhere. Oh, on this side it's cleaner. Oh, at least the gearbox doesn't have oil leaks. I think removing the engine is the best option. Yeah, this will be a big project. Yeah, and I have a lot of work to do. And also, this problem appeared. And now let's drain the oil. There she goes. Okay. Whew. Heavy. A lot of damaged plugs. Oil pressure sensor, the blue one. And it's another one here, brown. Actually, one is for pressure, one is just a switch. the moment of truth. Let's try this thing. And this engine should go out now. I hope. Or maybe not that easy. But it's quite big distance here. Yes! Yes! Finally! Now, removing the heart. Huh? Oh. Not yet. I still need to remove this hose. Let's take a proper tool for that. Here you will need some jiggling. It's better to don't lose this. I think this was never removed. Of course, it's not easy. Finally, the starter wire. But first, let's take this engine just a little more. This is the last wire. And the Holy starter. So, my friends, if you want to repair or change your starter to this engine, you will have a lot of work to do, because you got to remove the engine mount on the right side, and after you do that, it will still be a lot of work. So, to be 100% sure that I will not gonna have problems with this starter, I will also repair this one, just in case. So you have here a red pin, which you push it, and then yeah, it's out. Oh, a lot of oil on the starter. Anyway, it's oil everywhere. The starter. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the heart of oh, or not yet. Ta-da! And that's it for now, guys. In the next episode, I will repair everything that's wrong with this engine. Some frame repairs, some electrical repairs, and of course I will mount back the engine in his place and hope to start, if everything goes right, of course. And also I will speak about the costs for everything that I will replace or repair. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.